Hi, I'm Dr. Danyo, founder and sole physician at North Atlanta Hair Restoration in Alpharetta, Georgia. One of the biggest questions that I get is how much is this procedure going to cost me? The cost is based on three principles, with the first being transparency. You're meeting with me as the doctor who actually performs the procedure and determines the graft count. You're not going to meet a sales team, you'll actually meet with me. Second is value. I'm one of the only physicians in the country who extracts and individually places each graft on every patient using direct hair implantation techniques. Third is our boutique medical practice. Everyone in my office is involved in your care, from the front office members to the technicians to myself. You can read our reviews and see the stories of how our office was different than other ones that they had experienced. It is an intimate relationship that we respect and build upon. I encourage you to read our reviews online, describing the experiences that others have had with our office. The cost of each patient that I see is a little different based on their unique circumstances. I look forward to seeing you in your consultation. Go ahead and set up a consultation right now. Thank you.